Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to deeply understand JavaScript operators. Don't worry if you are a beginner, I will explain each and every line with correct and incorrect example, just like real codings. Okay, this this course you can say it, or all this JavaScript lecture, it is for JavaScript developers. Okay, so here you see your first question, what are operators? Here operator are symbol that perform actions, are values or variables. Think of them like to add things and subtract, assign the values or compare your values, or checks in the logics. In this lecture it is just like a pre-introductions. Okay, later on we will explain each deeply. You see first it is about your assignment operator. Here it is a definition. It is used to assign a value to the variable. So let me here explain with the examples. Okay, here assignment operators. So let x is equal to 5. This is your assignment operator. It is equal to, in the mathematics, this is equal to, but in JS it is here this symbol. It is assignment operators. It is used to assign a value to a variables. This here let x means we are creating a variable named x. The equal to operator assign the value 5 into the variable x. Okay, you can imagine it like putting 5 into a box called, okay, here 5 into a box called x. Okay, this is here, you think like this x, it is like a box. Okay, in this box here we will put this 5 variable. Then here we have the incorrect examples also. Here if you write 5, it is equal to x. So this is wrong, guys. Why wrong? This is incorrect because JavaScript cannot assign value to a number. Here JavaScript here cannot assign value to a number. The left side must always be a variable, never a value. But here you see here 5 is the values. Okay, 5 is the values. So that's why here JavaScript cannot assign a value to a number. The left side, this is the left side. Here 5, it is the left side. The left side must be always be a variable, never a values. But you see here 5 is a value, so this is incorrect. Okay, so comment and then move to the next. Here about assignment operators. Here this assignment operators. Okay, this is arithmetic operators, guys. Here, okay, this is plus symbols. Here we are using the plus operator to add two numbers, and then console.log simply print the result in the console. Here plus symbol is used for math operations, like addition, subtractions, multiplication, etc. Your arithmetic operators. So let me here we will explain with example. This is here you can suppose console.log and then 1 plus 1. Okay, it is 2. So let me check it here in the console. Here you have to execute your file node and then your file name. It is mind underscore script underscore 10, and you see here your result. It is 2. You see here it is 2, guys. Okay, so fine. So here we have to console.log. So here we have the another example. Here let create another variable. Let a it is equal to 5. It is 10. Then let b it is equal to 5, and then let c it is equal to a plus b. Here then we have console.log, then inside it here we have the c, guys. Got it? So even here we have to check it again your results. Just here you have to execute your file and you see here your result. What? 10 plus 5, it is 15, and you see here you got it here 50s. Okay, so here we store 10 in a variable, 5 in b variables, and then we add them and store the result in the c variable. This is your c variables, store result, and then finally we print c, which is 15s. And here we have what? Here we have an incorrect example. So here we've already let result 10 plus. Okay, it is wrong. Why wrong? In operator always need two values, but here we have only one value, that is 10. But here it is left, and then here right side it is nothing. Okay, this line is incomplete. so JavaScript throw an error. You see here what is expression expected here, guys. Okay, here we need also values, but here we don't have any values, so that's why it is an incorrect example. Next topic, it is third, strings operators. Here this is a string operator plus symbols. Okay, it is used to join or combine the strings. Okay, these are the strings text values stored inside a variables. So here let's do this, guys. Here how you can do this. Here let's create a variables. Let first name is equal to Alice, and let last name it is equal to Bob. Got it? And then here I am going to just combine these two strings. Here create a variable, let full name is equal to first name plus, okay, this is here we have to put some strings. Okay, just concatenate with plus symbols. Then here last name. Okay, this is here, and then here the plus operator. It is here this plus operator, it is not adding the numbers, instead it is joining the strings, which is called concatenations. This is here this plus symbol here, not it is join. Okay, it is not adding the numbers, it is joining the strings. Okay, which is called the concatenations. Okay, here a simple thing, guys. You have to just console.log and confirm everything, it is working or not. This is what your full name. Let me put inside the strings, then full name here. Okay, then here what you have to do, you see your result full name Alice Bob, and you see Alice Bob. Here you can put here spaces if you want, and now you see the spaces inside Alice and Bob, and you see Alice Bob. So it is fine, guys. Then here we have a next, it is not assignment operators. Here let me comment it, and then here what we have, mixing numbers and strings. I think here it is incorrect example. Let me remove this first. Okay, here we have the here another example, mixing number and strings. So here right comment. Okay, just this is here mixing numbers and strings. Okay, then inside here just create a variable, let text is equal to 5 plus 5. Okay, number plus number give the number, result 10, you know that, and it is fine. Okay, this is here. Let me console it log, guys, for you. X, here it is X. Okay, so that is fine. Let me just execute this file, and you see here what number gives the result, it is 10, and you see it is 10. That is fine. Now here we have another example. Let y is equal to what, 5 plus 5, and tell me what you got here result here. Here this is an important rule. If one side, you see, if one side is a string, here one side is a string, just turn the whole result into the strings. Okay, you got it your result as a 55 in the strings, I mean 5. Okay, let me here console.log y. Here what is your values, here y, this one, here this y, this is here. Okay, okay, this note for this type of here example. Here if one side is a string, you see here this one here, if one side is a string, just turn the whole result into the string. Then JavaScript also consider this 5 value as a strings and just concat. Okay, here just here concat. Okay, combine these two strings and you got the result 55. Just hand is here, it is 55, it is a string, so that's why it is white color, and this is a number, so that's why it is yellow color. Got it? So here this is all about your, even it is a simple thing, you have to check units type. Its type means this is here. Okay, type of here type of here use this is type of here, and then use here this is here hold your result in the strings. Okay, this tells us the data type and it will be a string. You already know that here this why it is strings. Okay, you see just turn the whole result into the strings. Okay, if one side is string, so 5 here it is a string and this is a number, but you know if one side is string, just turn the whole result into a strings. So that's why it is a strings whole result here 55. So here move to the next sections about assignment operators. Okay, so here assignment operator, it is used to update variable value easily. So here we have to explain with examples. Here let x is equal to 5, and then here x plus it is equal to 5. Okay, here x plus 5 is equal 5 is just a shortcut. Okay, it means here it's meaning here it means this is here x it is equal to x plus 5. Okay, this line means this one, this line it is equal to this line. Got it? This make our code cleaner and shorter. So here other hand you can, here we have another example here for the minus, this is for plus, then here it is for minus, then here also we have for the multiplications 5, multiplied with 5, then here also for the remainder x, this is here it is equal to 5. Okay, so this is your shortcuts, okay, for the assignment operators. So you have to comment it, and then here we have the correct example. If you write like just plus, here it is equal to again incomplete statement. JavaScript need a values here, it is incomplete, so that's why it is a wrong statement in this. Here we have the comparison operators. This is here it is used to compare values, always return true or false. Okay, this one comparison always return true and false values. Okay, just true and false. It's okay. So here we have a example here 5 it is equal to inside a string 5. So tell me what you got in the result here. Double equal compare only values, not the type. So this become true. Okay, this line will be true. It is very simple to verify that, not like this. Console.log, then you must put the values. 5. It is just compare the value. This is 5 and this is also 5. But this is a number. 5 it is number and this 5 it is a string. But this comparison equal to operator, double equal to comparison operator. Just checking the number value. This is your values. It is 5, fine. This is also fine, 5, fine. So that's why it is true. Okay, it is just returning two value, true and false, or comparison operators. And you have to wait for the response. Then you got your result. And you see what? True. I have already told you. But we have another example. What here? Triple equal check. Here 5 is equal to 5. So tell me here triple equal check value plus type. Okay, here this is value, here 5 is a value, 5 is also value, but this 5 is a number and this 5 is a string. So here what you got your result? You got false. So this is false. Why? This triple equal check your value plus types, and you see the result, it is false. Got it? So here we have also real life example. Let me comment it. Okay, no worry about it. In upcoming lecture we will explain in detail each and everything about comparison operator. It is just like a pre-introductions. Here we have another example. Just age is equal to 18, then we have to console.log age greater than is equal to 18. So tell me here, this is exactly how a check works in the real life, login system, voting apps, forms. It is here, if it is here, if it is age, it is equal to greater than or equal to 18, then you got your result as true. And you see this is here we already, and you see this result you got what? True. So this is all about your comparison operator. It is just returning two values, true or false. Here we have the incorrect example. Here if here x it is equal to 5, and then here we have just a parenthesis here. This is assignment, not in the comparison. Always use double equal or triple equal inside the condition. This is wrong. Why? Here we have to always use double equal or triple equal. It is here inside it, here inside condition you don't use this assignment operator. You have to use always double equal or triple equal. Okay, this is assignment, not a comparison operator. So this is incorrect examples. Here we have to move next. It is about logical operator. It is used to combine the conditions. Here it is used to combine the conditions. Here let it, here it is x is equal to 10, then let here y is equal to 5, and then console.log inside it. Here x greater than 5 and y it is less than to the 10. Okay, so here step by step. Here x, here x greater than 5, it is true. This is here because it is 10, so it is true. Here it is here true. Okay, this value return the true value. And y it is less than 10, here it is also true. This 5 here it is less than to 10 here. Okay, so it is also true. It is true. So true and true give true. So that's why here true and true gives true, and you see here your result what? True, because this is also true and this is also true. So that's why here it is true. Okay, now we have another example. You see the result true. We have an incorrect example for it. Here if you write like this, here x and here triple ampersand, then inside it here there is no such operator as triple ampersand. Okay, JavaScript only support double ampersand, not like this. So this is invalid. Okay, so here no worry about it. Okay, in upcoming lecture we will go deeper with each topic, like logical operators, then comparison operators, assignment operators, okay, string operator. Got it? So that's it for the JavaScript operator. We covered assignment, arithmetic, string, comparison, and logical operator with the real example. If this helps you, then like video, subscribe for the more JavaScript and full stack tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.